केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन presents a video lesson on foundational literacy, and in today's video we will focus on writing skill. So let's get started. Here I have three friends with me. He is Ayush, she is Tanu, and he is Chinu. Today we are celebrating Deepavali. Yes, Ayush, tell us, what do you know more about this festival? This is the festival of lights, traditional food, clothes, and on this we also make rangolis on our house floors. Is this the only festival when we do such arrangements? No. India is a country of unity in diversity. Here we celebrate so many festivals across the country. Do we celebrate any festival of colors? Yes. Holi is the festival of colors. What do we do on the occasion of Holi? We do Holika Dahan and play with colors. Hello children, my friend Hina has been to Punjab. She brought some rice from there. Today I have prepared fried rice for you. That's yummy, Amma. Which festival is popular in Punjab? Lohri is the festival which is very popular in Punjab. People do bhangra on this festival and it mainly related to harvesting of the rabi crops. Can you tell us more festivals names? Yes, Bhogli Bihu is celebrated in Assam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala and Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. People wear different traditional dresses on these festivals. Yes, Chinu, here you can see the traditional dress of Punjab. Salwar kameez for women and men wear tamba or tehmat, kurta and Punjabi turban. Wow, that's beautiful. Here you see the traditional dress of Gujarat. Men wear kedia or kurta and dhoti. Women wear shari and chaniya choli. This is the traditional dress of Rajasthan, Haryana, Kerala, Assam. Students, I hope you have heard these children carefully. Now I'll ask some questions to you and you need to write answers of these questions in your notebook. Here it is my first question for you. Write 5 sentences about Diwali. So you just write this question in your notebook and try to give the answer. So this is the just first question. So let me help you out to write the answer of this question. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is one of the biggest festivals celebrated in India. We worship goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on Diwali. We light candles and decorate our homes with rangoli. Children burn firecrackers and enjoy with their friends. So you just write this question in your notebook and answer as well. Now here I have some more questions for you. You need to write these questions answer in your copy, in your notebook. Write a few sentences about Holi. Write 5 lines on Onam festival. Thank you children. Bye bye. Have a nice